What is a global investment portfolio? This is a set of investment instruments in different segments of the investment market. There are a lot of markets. There is the stock market where stocks are traded, futures and options. There is the real estate market. There is a currency exchange market in the banking sector. There is a currency exchange market on the internet. There is the crypto market. There is the market for the development of culture and art. Now appears a new direction. It is the market of crypto systems. There are markets of insurance referrals and insurance business. There are markets of equity participation in the business. They are all certain markets. In each market, there is an investment tool. For example, if the stock market is in the United States of America, there is such a tool like the New York Stock Exchange. There are Apple stocks, Amazon stocks, Alibaba stocks, and other companies' stocks at this market. There is the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. There is the German DAX Stock Exchange. There are Russian stock exchanges, RTS in Moscow. There is the Shanghai and Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Each of these exchanges has thousands of instruments that are traded. There are tools for the speculative market. There are tools before IPO and incoming to IPO. There are tools that balance risks. However, these are all stock exchange markets. There are currency markets where people can trade currency pairs, and there are foreign exchange markets where you can enter real currency, but big funds are needed to enter the currency and have sufficiently large profit. There is the market for insurance services and insurance companies. This is also an interesting direction which gives great opportunities. And also, there is a huge amount of tools, that is, investment tools. The global investment portfolio includes all segments and directions of the investment market, with a huge number of instruments. Thus, by properly balancing the portfolio, we can get two things. First is the guarantee of the preservation of our funds. The second is profitability. It is progressively growing profitability due to the fact that we are investing in the venture direction. For example, risky but with very large increase in capital. Markets, maybe real estate, established with a small least but high liquidity, and stock exchange markets, which allow us to get fairly high returns with a virtual guarantee of returns. And it all happens thanks to a balanced portfolio. This is such a guarantee that our funds are saved. But there is an even higher guarantee that we are represented in all economic markets. It is at the market of the United States of America, at the market of Latin and South America. It is at the European market. It is at the market of Russia. It is at the market of India. It is at the market of China. It is at the market of Africa. And it is at the market of Australia. That is, all of these markets allow us to get even more assurance that our funds are protected from different situations in different economic systems. Therefore, the global investment portfolio is an opportunity to save and increase your funds at very high speed.